Okay, now basically this is the part 2 of this 03 Nissan, the 3.5 Altima. Okay, finally alternator, I yank it out from here, all right, underneath the engine on top of the AC compressor. All right, be careful when you put the new one back in there. This is the new one going there. Hook up the top screw first. The back one, you can swing it out and then hook it in. This is a nightmare design anyway. It's worse than Mercedes-Benz, okay? Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the 500, I did it before. You just pull the cooling, that kind of fan out, all right? And you got a lot of room. This the wire, and the AC compressor wire is all in the way. And this meantime, the condenser hose is right here. This is the terrible design car. Anyway, it's for, well, I guess the shop, they need to make money. That's how they go get it, all right? Not everybody can do it, or without the patience, this and that. All right, let's finish it up and put it back in. We should be good to go. All right, this is the bolt. This actually is the one in the back of the alternator. And this is on the top of it in the front, okay? So just 2 screws, okay? All right, thanks.